Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can activate dark mode in WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to activate dark mode on your WhatsApp, you need to first open your WhatsApp app. Once you open your WhatsApp, all you need to do now is simply tap on the three dot icon and tap on settings. Then you need to simply tap on the chat option where you can find the theme. Once you tap on theme, you can find the default light and dark system theme. So simply tap on dark mode and tap on OK. Once you tap on dark mode, now your WhatsApp will be activating the dark mode in your profile. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.